Hey guys, this is John. I'm here to unbox a dash cam. It's the Vantrue N2 Pro model, and I have it set up right here. It was a lot easier to set up than I thought. And this unique camera has a camera facing the front as well as the back. So if you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, a taxi or something like that, this would be awesome because one camera can cover everything. It'll cover what's in front as well as record in your dash so that you can check on things with like your passengers, or sometimes it can even probably pick up things behind you if someone like rear ends you or something like that. So this is great. Only one camera with two with lenses in the front and the back, and then it was really easy to route the wires to my cigarette light adapter, so I don't even need the hard wires, but you will need it if you want the motion sensing G-Shock feature, so that if you leave your car and someone hits your car, it'll start doing motion sensing and all that stuff to capture things. Let me start up the car. So here is my camera. This is how it's set up. It's not right there. So that's the side, and basically I have it routed up there across my visor, and then hidden underneath the weather stripping of the windows all the way down. And this car is so awesome. It has a secret cigarette light adapter underneath the passenger seat in the front, kind of hidden to the sides, and it turns off 10 minutes after I turn off my car, and I don't need to use my plug over here where I put all my drinks and stuff. And so this is really easy to use. It's probably recording. Yeah, it is recording right now. So let me see. Can we get it in focus? So right now it's 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm just gonna stop, press the menu button, change the recording settings, resolution to dual, hit OK, menu, come back here, you can see 1080p, 1080p, and now it's set to that. And you can kind of see, like, right there's like a little cutout that shows the inside of the car, and then the rest of it is the front of the car, so it's picture in picture. So I really like this camera. For obvious reasons, the dual cam is really useful. I really like that because I don't want to hook up another camera in the back to see what's behind me. I like that it gives you multiple resolution settings. I think I'll probably stick to the dual cam, 1080p, 30 frames per second. But if I ever wanted to, I could just do 1440p towards the front for the best resolution at 30 frames per second. But there's also a 1080p 60 frames per second if you feel like capturing more detail, less blur, especially for fast moving objects, which would be appropriate because we're in a moving car. It does have a built-in mic. I'm actually using the dash camera right now, and it can be turned off if needed. There's a button to take a snapshot or preserve the current clip. So you can set clips to be in increments of like a minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. I have it set to 3 minutes. So it'll record 3-minute clips, it'll stop, save it, and then it'll record another one. When you're doing dual cams, it'll save the files with the letter A or the letter B, so you'll know one is like the front and one is in the back, but with the same timestamp. So that's how you can differentiate it. But the file names are very, obvious. It has the date and probably the time on it, so it's very obvious and easy to use. I plugged it into my MacBook last night and was able to watch the videos very quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.